On this video, I will share on how to use Claude to find keywords or ASIN or campaigns with high ACOS. So as you can see, I'm on Claude.ai right now, and I will prompt using AdLabs MCP, check the performance of my ad campaigns last 30 days for Mon and Sons US. So this is the name of the account. So your normal Claude will not be able to do this. You need a software that has an MCP, and there's a lot of software like AdLabs and Datado that has an MCP. So what's an MCP? It's a connector. So your Claude can understand your Amazon ads data. So because right now, if you don't connect Claude to your Amazon ads data, it will have no idea what's the performance of your ad campaigns. So what I use is I use AdLabs, since one of my clients is using this already and they have an MCP. So what I did is I connected my Claude, as you can see in here, settings, then connectors, then there's AdLabs in here. So it's connected. So basically Claude, AdLabs MCP plus your Amazon ads data. So the MCP is in the middle. So it's the connector. And let's go back to the chat so I can demo you, or I can show you how you can use this as well. So in terms of connecting, I will not go through, connecting MCP to your Claude. I will not discuss that on this video, because you can actually check the step-by-step guide of AdLabs, because if you subscribe to AdLabs, they will have a video or a step-by-step guide on how you can connect their MCP to your Claude. So yeah, it's for another video basically. So yeah, it's already checking the numbers. On top of asking what's your performance, you can also ask what ASINs has very low what ASINs has very low ACOS, what campaigns has very low ACOS, and what campaign should I optimize. You can ask those things. But in order for Claude to be really good at PPC, you need it to have enough knowledge base. Because if you will just use chat like this, you will not be able to use Claude on its full potential, because in here, it's just acting like a generic chat support. But if you would like to make it more advanced, or I don't know, more smarter, you need to give it a knowledge base. So that's what I did for my VS Code in here. So in my VS Code, there's a lot of knowledge base already. So it already did a research on what's the best practice on optimizing ads, what's ACOS, what's ROAS, what's clicks, what's conversion rate. So I turned Claude from being an ordinary chat support to being an expert into PPC. Because like what I said in here, it doesn't know how to optimize ads. It doesn't even know what's ACOS or what's keywords, because it doesn't have the context. But in here, I gave it knowledge base, like what I said. So it's much smarter. But I use this for a demo because more people are using this than the VS Code. And I will not go through, or I will not go deep about VS Code, because again, that's another video. And if you want me to create a video about that, just let me know. So I will have to fast forward this video because it's taking longer. It's taking long for the AI to pull up the ad campaigns performance for last 30 days. So now it already generated the results from my prompt. So again, I asked to check the last 30 days performance for the brand Monaisons US. So this is what I got. So last 30 days, it gave me a comparison. So it compared May 9 to June 8 versus April 9 to May 8. So it showed me the changes in spend, in sales, and ACOS, and the top campaigns by spend. So it showed me what campaigns has high ACOS. By the way, this is already optimized because we are optimizing our campaigns on a weekly basis, and we're checking them daily. Anyway, going back to the video, and it says that sales declining while impressions are up, CTR collapses the problem, etc., etc. So it's giving me the summary of the data, and yeah, it's also giving me immediate actions. Pause or severely cap. So this is the high ACOS campaigns. It's asking me to cap the ad spend. But yeah, like what I said, it's already optimized. Anyway, so if you want to oh, to dig deeper, you can check. I mean, you can say what keywords or search terms are causing high ACOS. Check. And from here, since you already know which campaign has high ACOS, although you can do that in Campaign Manager, you can actually ask Claude to dig deeper to find the real root cause, because in here, you're only looking at the Campaign Manager. I mean, on the campaigns. You don't know which ASINs is causing the high ACOS and which keywords. So yeah, you can actually ask Claude to do that or to find that for you. And yeah, from there, you can ask what's the best practice or how to optimize high ACOS campaigns. So I don't really use Claude to do an adjustment for our campaigns. I just use it to find this kind of data, like which campaign has high ACOS, which ASIN has high ACOS or keywords. So I really know what to fix. And right now, I don't think it's on the level where I can trust it to do the changes. I can use Claude to do the reporting or to do the research or the analysis, but I will not suggest you to allow it to do changes, because with AdLabs MCP, you can actually do, I don't know, bid changes or budget changes by just talking to Claude. So yeah, I hope you can already see the potential of using Claude to your business. But yeah, if you have any suggestions or maybe you want to know something about Claude, just comment it down below and I will try to answer it personally. Yeah. And as you can see, it showed me which keywords has high ACOS. And so from here, I already have an idea which keywords can be paused or which keywords can be negated to reduce the ad spend. And yeah, it's also showing me what's the match type. And in here, it's showing me the high spend and with zero sales. So instead of just looking at last 30 days, you can also ask it to, can you check the performance of these keywords on last 60 days instead of last 30 days. So yeah, there's really a lot of things that you can do. You can also ask Claude to create you a dashboard. Let's say you are, I don't know, a PPC manager, or you are, yeah, the manager of the Amazon account. You can ask it to create a dashboard that you can use to present it to your client or to your boss or something like that. So yeah. And yep, it's filtering out the search result. I mean the result set. I don't know, but it's doing it. I'm not doing anything anymore. It's just automatically doing what I just asked it to do. So yeah. So instead of using last 30 days, it is now using last 60 days. So yeah. In here, this keyword seems to be getting high ACOS, not just in the last 30 days, but also in the last 60 days. So yeah, this is how I use Claude to find high ACOS campaigns, keywords, and ASIN. So I hope this video is helpful. And if you need help on your Amazon ads, you can go to Adbox PPC and book a call. I will do a quick audit on your Amazon ad campaigns for free, and I can also audit your existing listing if you need to optimize your listing. And yeah, I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, just drop it down below. And if you have any feedback on this video, drop it down below as well. And if you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.